All right. Hey, check this out. I'm going to give you guys 3 ways to make money right now. And hopefully one of them will work for you. Okay, here's what's doing. Before I even get into this, do me a solid and do yourself a solid and just click the subscribe button and ding this stupid little bell. And that way you'll get notified when I come out with more videos that might help you. So I'm kind of putting these little quick hit videos together for people that are in a tough spot because of the corona situation, right? You guys, I've nothing but empathy for you. You know, you had a job, you were doing well, and now all of a sudden you're locked up at home and you lost your job. So I'm trying to get you some things that are really easy, something that anybody could do potentially and make some dough. So I'm going to start with this right off the bat. This is a website called Rebate Key, and you can find it at rebatekey.com. And here's what's doing. You come on here, and they have all these products on here that you can get for a discount. You buy it, and then you get a rebate after you buy it. So the way to make money with this is you come in here, and you hit this filter, and you filter by percent discount. And what that's going to do is it's going to show the products with the most percentage of discount first. In other words, all of these products have 100% discount until you get down to like, well, let's go down. So 100% discount means free, right? So now I've scrolled way down, and now you're starting to see, okay, this one's $1. Normally $16. Now it's only $1. This one's 98 cents. Normally $15. And the prices, as you scroll down, will go up. Now, I want you to look at this. Let's go back up to the top. Because as you can see this clock, and it says notify me. These are the items that have sold out. And there's a lot of them on here because I am on here late, right? It's late in the day. You want to jump on this as often as you can, so when something new comes on here, you can be one of the guys that grabs it. So here's where the money is. So for example, let me take a look at this, even though it's sold out. So this says regular $19.90, I think. Is it $19.90 or $19? I think it's $19.90. Anyway, 100% rebate, you get it for free. Boost for him, ultimate enhancing pills. So if this was available, you would just click on it and buy it, right? Then, obviously, the obvious simple thing to do is to sell it on eBay. But before you even buy it, what you want to do is look on eBay. So I've quickly done that. I put in a search for, I just copied and pasted, boost for him, enhancing pills, and I looked under the solds, and here's one for $19.18. Here's another one that sold for $19.75. I'm looking for the exact same product here, right? So there's a lot of things on here that are not the exact same product, but there are a couple of them. This one sold for $19.75. This one sold for $19.18 plus shipping. See that? $3.90 shipping. This one had free shipping. $19.75. Anyway, you get the idea. It's not rocket surgery, right? So you just come on to this website. Hang on, let me close this. rebatekey.com. And you can potentially come in here, find some items, get them for free, list them on eBay, and do that with a bunch of stuff. It's pretty much zero risk, right? Because you're not paying anything. You're getting them for free. But the other thing I want to make you guys aware of is if you come up here, check this. This website has a referral program. So you can do a video just like I'm doing now. And in your video, you can say, hey guys, check this out. You can come to this website. It's a special website, and you don't have to tell them the name of the website in your video. You just kind of like, here, watch. If I move this up, well, I can't move it up. But anyway, in my screen recording, I would just keep the name of the website off screen, and I would show, let's go back. Let's see if I can go back. I would show this stuff, right? And I would do my video and I would say, hey guys, if you want to get on this, there's a special website where you can get these items for free. There's a link below this video, right? And then you would have your referral link below the video. And then you could make money, right? So you can come in here and read the instructions on how the referral program works, how much money you can make with it. I don't know. I haven't even looked into it. It's, it's potentially something that you could promote with free social media traffic. You could promote it with paid ads on search engines if you made a bridge page for it. Again, I teach all of this stuff on my website, thekinghumanelite.com, if you want to learn how to do this advanced techniques. But basically what this is called affiliate marketing, if you're not familiar with it. What affiliate marketing is you find places like this where these guys are willing to pay you to bring them customers. And basically they're doing it because you're bringing them customers that they would not ordinarily have gotten. So really, it's a win-win situation for both of you, right? Very symbiotic situation. Personally, I've made over $1 million online doing this exact kind of thing. So I teach it to people now. So anyway, this is kind of a decent opportunity. And you can come in here. Now, when you get your link, all you have to do is join this website and you automatically get your link. You don't have to apply to be an affiliate. You don't have to be approved to be an affiliate. You just are an affiliate when you join this site. Now, before we go any further, I have to tell you, this is only available in the United States, unfortunately. I have something else for you if you live outside of the United States, but we'll have to get into that later. So anyway, as you can see, this is kind of an ugly link. There are ways to make that link better. They're called link shorteners. So if you just do a Google search for a link shortener, you'll find a place like bit.ly, and you can just plug this in and it will give you a much shorter, much more attractive looking URL. So this is your personal URL, meaning anybody that comes through that link, you will get credit for, right? So you can put this link on a paid ad on a search engine like Bing or Google or whatever with a simple ad, and depending on what this pays, right, what the commission rate is here. Again, I haven't looked into it, but what you want to do is you want to look into what the payout is so you know how much you can afford to pay in traffic. And if it were me, I would look at this and I would do a complete analysis, and I would get the EPCs. Now, EPC means earning per click. Every website like this has an EPC number. If they do not publish it, you contact the website. You contact the affiliate manager and say, hey, I really like your affiliate program. And again, I haven't looked into this one, so I'm not sure how attractive it is. It may be only good for free social media traffic. It may not be viable for paid traffic. I haven't looked. But what I would do is I would contact their affiliate manager and I would say, give me all the information you can. Give me the demographics on who your user is. So in other words, who uses this website? Give me the EPCs of this website, earnings per click. They will give you a full rundown so that you can use that to set up your pay-per-click campaign. And when you set up a pay-per-click campaign on a search engine or on any kind of paid traffic situation, and that could be you could buy traffic on a website that is all about coupons, right? They sell traffic on those websites. You can put a banner on that website. It's very simple, very easy. I may have to teach it to you in detail, but it's not hard. You just have to learn a few things, right? But you have to know how much you can afford to pay per click to make a profit. So basically what you do is you buy traffic for wholesale. You buy traffic for pennies and you send it to a website like this, similar to this. Again, I'm not sure if this is a good example. I'm just giving you an overview. And you make dollars. So you're basically spending pennies, making dollars. You can also, again, like I showed you, you can also make money by grabbing these things and just flipping them on eBay. So now you've got two ways to make money right off the bat. You can just flip these products. It's the same as going and buying stuff on Alibaba or AliExpress. It's kind of the same theory, right? And you don't even have to limit yourself to the free products. There are things in here that are cheap enough and that have a decent demand. I'm scrolling down to try and find something. Here's hemp oil. Oh, it's out. Okay. That's kind of an exciting product because it's right now. That's what people are into, right? 99 cents. Regular $12.99 retail price. Here is electrolyte salt pills. I have no idea what the demand on that is, but it's only $2 and it supposedly retails for 20. So I would look into something like that, right? All kinds of supplements, Rejuvaflex, $2.99, regular $30. I could look into these and see if it was worth my while. But you're going to have to do the research. I'm not going to do your work for you. I'm going to turn you on to this kind of stuff, right? Now, as far as the affiliate program goes, same thing. You're going to have to do the research. Come in here and read the instructions and see what the payouts are and do a little calculation on whether it's worth running paid ads or just free social media ads. Start out with free. Always start with free ads, right? Do some free social media posts. And the way you might do this is, like I suggested, join some groups, some Facebook groups of couponers. There's a bunch of groups out there about couponing, about rebates, about saving money, about wholesale, whatever. There's a bunch of groups on Facebook. Join those groups and don't spam them. Be a contributor. Join some conversations, contact some people, answer some questions, and then you can do this in a couple of different ways. You can, in your signature, you could have a little thing saying the best rebate, the best place to get free stuff, whatever, and then have your affiliate link so that people could click on that when they see your signature. That way you're not selling them. You don't want to spam in a group, right? You have to get people to ask you for the information. So you could do something like going into that group and saying a few things, and then saying something like, oh, I found something interesting. And then people will ask you, hey, what is it? And then once they ask you, you can give them a link, and your link. Again, make your link not look like an affiliate link. People don't like affiliate links for some reason. Even though when they buy something through an affiliate link, it does not cost them 1 penny extra, a lot of people still resent it. I don't know why. You're helping them out, but whatever, right? That's just life. Okay, so now you've got two distinct ways to make money. I want to give you one more really quick, and it's kind of a 1-2 punch. It's a free piece of software. It's a killer free piece of software, but it also can make you money, kind of in the same way this can. Now, I'm not going to go into it in detail. I'm just going to tell you that the free software is the second link in the description of this video. And you should grab it, even if you don't want to use it to make money. You should grab that piece of software now, because you're going to probably need it at some point in the future. Even if you don't think you need it now, grab it now, because later you could want it. And later, That piece of software is going to be selling for $99 a month minimum, between $99 and $200 a month. You're going to get it for free right now. Not a watered down version, not a light version. You're going to get the full version for life right now. And the link is the second link below. So do it, don't do it. It's your life, whatever. I'm just trying to help you out, right? Okay, I hope this video helped a few of you chuckleheads. If not, don't bitch to me. I don't want to hear your negativity. I got enough on my own plate. You know, I don't need your problems. I got my own problems. I'm trying to help you chuckleheads. All right, go away. Ooh, Mr. Thick. Ooh, I better buy some of that right now.